Hello everyone! Merry Christmas! Join me in today's mini vlog as we visit Rancho Paraiso Nature Park located here at Zone 1, Barangay San Gregorio Rizal, Nueva Ecija. As you can see, napakaganda ng view dito. Meron silang swimming pool, meron silang mga stations or park. So as you can see, meron silang 21 stations. So it's called stations kasi they have a train. The purpose of the train is it will help us travel across the place kasi nga medyo malaki siya and may 21 nga siyang station. Ito yung makakatulong sa atin para malibot yung buong lugar kasi nga sa sobrang laki, hindi na namin siya nalibot talaga kasi nga it will really require you to spend a lot of time walking. And then, as you can see, this is the station 1, which is the Dino Park. As you can see, may mga dinosaurs made of, I think these are made of cement or statues, I don't know, but at least meron silang mga characters din for kids na kids will absolutely love and take pictures with. May playground sila dito, may swing, may seesaw, and there's a lot of places na pwede kayong mag picture with, especially ngayon na Pasko. Syempre, we want to take pictures na magaganda, memorable with our family, so it's a nice place to visit. Just take note, medyo malayo siya from Manila. It will take approximately 3 to 4 hours depending on traffic conditions. So, kung gusto niyo puntahan ng lugar na to, for precise directions, I suggest gumamit na lang kayo ng GPS applications like Google Map or Waze. Tapos, enter nyo lang yung Rancho Paraiso Nature Park as your destination. So, ito, I also like this view. Very presko at pwede ding lugar para mag-picture taking kayo. Yan. Malaki yung lugar. Hindi kayo mauubusan ng lugar saan kayo mag-picture. Tapos, meron pa silang aesthetic center. Merong mga tindahan din. Pwede kayong bumili dito. Tapos, meron ding banana park. So, meron silang mga monkeys dito. You can take pictures with them as well. And just, look at the place and admire the place, of course. Tapos dito naman pumunta kami sa station 9. Dumaan lang kami kasi nga ito yung medyo malapit sa amin. So as you can see, it's called Biwasan. So it's catch and pay palaisdaan. So papasok tayo dito. Itong sa kabila parang ginagawa pa siya. Siguro parang siya, pirate boat inspired, ganun. So kung papasok kayo dito, makikita nyo dun sa dulo, meron silang palaisdaan. Pwede tayo mag-fishing doon. Yan, samahan nyo ako, puntahan natin siya. Ayun, yan. Ito yung station 9. So, kung makikita nyo, maganda din siyang tambayan, presko, tsaka madaming isda dyan. Di lang ako masyadong lumapit kasi baka mahulog pa yung phone ko. Then, after doon, naglakad-lakad din kami. Ito yung train na sinasabi ko kanina. Hindi ko siya masyadong nakunan ng malapit. Basta yun yung train. Kung gusto yung makasakay doon, kailangan nyo magbayad ng I think 50 per head, tapos dapat 10 kayo para umandar siya. So, kung tatlo lang kayo or apat, you can pay 500 pesos. And by the way, para sa entrance fee, so 50 pesos po yung entrance fee. Tapos, kung gusto nyong maligo or gumamit ng swimming pool, additional 70 pesos po per head. At take note, so may pupuntahan kaming bridge. Actually, dumaan kami kanina dito and napansin namin na parang maganda din siyang puntahan. So, paglapit namin, ayan, kung makikita nyo, may additional na 20 pesos per head para malibot nyo daw yung etong buong place na to. So, you'll pay 20 pesos para makapasok dyan. So, sabi ko nga kay Mother Lerma, sige, bayaran na lang natin total. It's 20 pesos lang naman, tapos para malibot na din natin siya. Akala kasi namin kasama na siya sa entrance, pero it's worth it naman kasi makakakita din kayo ng iba't ibang ongoing constructions nila. I think they will make the place even more nicer and improve yung place pa. So, yun, naglakad kami dito, tapos nag-take din kami ng mga pictures and just admiring the view. Kung makikita niyo dito, ito yung view kung aakyat na kayo doon sa ongoing na parang castle. Tapos may waterfalls sila. So parang ang ano nila, inspiration, I think parang it's like a castle and then there's a bridge there. So it's kind of nice and it's Instagrammable. We can take pictures there, unlimited pictures. Just enjoy the view and feel the breeze of the air. So medyo presko siya dito. And then this is the view from the top. Okay, and then this is the view sa bridge. It's not scary because it's kind of short lang, and then it's really not moving because of, I think it's because of its very strong build. So ito yung swimming pool nila. Merong pang adult and then merong for kids. So gladly kami lang yung tao dito, and then we just decided to take a dip. I am with my husband just enjoying the swimming pool. And very cold. And para naman sa kids, lumipat kami saglit sa kids pool together with mother and Aryan. Ayan, napaka-init naman dito. Dun sa kabila, sobrang lamig. And this is perfect for bonding lang. Sabi ko, ikot-ikot tayo and then, naniwala naman sila. Anyway, it was fun, you know. And then, after that, we went back to the Dino Park because I just wanted to take more pictures with my husband and with Mother Earth. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, maganda din dito pag gabi. Actually, they are open 24/7. So, it's perfect for those who wants to sleep here overnight. I think nasa 2,000 daw to 5,000 ang room. And then, kung dun banda sa magsiswimming pool kayo, nasa 1,000 per cottage. So, for more information, accurate information, you can visit their page sa Rancho Paraiso Nature Park. Yan. It was a nice holiday spent here at Rancho Paraiso. I'm sorry for the loud noise. Madaming dumadaan na sasakyan. Anyway, so yun. I hope you enjoyed this mini vlog. An 8-minute mini vlog. So yun, it's never too late to have fun and play at the playground kahit matatanda na kami, di ba? Makikita niyo naman na nag-enjoy talaga si Mother Lerma. Her smile is so big. Ako naman medyo nahihiya pa ako, pero nag-enjoy ako dyan. So yan, thank you so much for watching. Again, Merry Christmas!